What's up guys, it's your man What's Official, and in today's video we got a 2005 Honda Accord. And what am I doing in this car? Well, you can see by the title, we're changing out the VTEC Solenoid gasket. So typically with these Hondas, VTEC Solenoid gasket is what happens while you're getting a little bit of an oil leak in the car. That's the part number if you're interested. Got it from Honda directly. I definitely recommend going OEM, especially if it's not too much for you guys. OEM's the way to go. So it's a common issue with Hondas. This car does have a new motor. If you did see the old video, not everybody sees the old video. A lot of new subscribers. I've gained a lot of subscribers since then, but it's not a gold valve cover anymore. I'm going to paint this one purple later on, but VTEC Solenoid is leaking, guys. So when I got the engine swap, I don't think they put the old one that I have with the new gasket. They just put the engine in. This engine could have, anything could happen to that car. So how we get this off, let's get to the video. So you need a 10 mil and a ratchet. So the cool thing about working on these Hondas is they are pretty much take 10 mil for this, but we're not doing any of that. We're doing this and the 3 bolts on the back of the VTEC Solenoid. So we'll take this off. I'll let you guys know when I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Before we even check and loosen the bolts at the bottom, I'm going to put my finger under the VTEC Solenoid to see if we're getting some oil leaks there. I can let you know if that's where it's coming from. So I'll just burn my hand a little bit, but yeah. Nah, it touched the aluminum head. But yeah, we see, I barely got my finger on there because I got burned, but look at that oil. It's definitely VTEC Solenoid gas. I'm gonna wipe my finger off with a rag. But guys, I will catch you in the next clip. Guys, so there's 2 clips on each side. You can only see one in the video, it looks like. Actually, let me take that. So there's 1 clip there. You wanna unclip that. And there should be another clip right there. You will unclip that. Let me zoom in for you guys if you can't see right there. So, thank you. Shout out to my dad helping me record this. All right, so push and pull, easy. Took this clip out, as you can see. Push and pull, unclipped both of them. So now, let's double check, see if that oil was coming from VTEC Solenoid. Yes, sir, it was. So wipe my hands off and get to work. So you guys, this is a 10 mil with these Hondas. Beautiful thing about the Hondas is 10 mil. So, is that loose already, huh? All right, so I'm breaking them loose. All right, guys, so loosen all 3 of the bolts. They're just hard to get to. Had to actually take off the extension to get to it. So I'm taking the first one off. Got to make sure you remember where you put these bolts. So I'm gonna put it in a different spot than I put the other bolts. Yeah, they're kind of long too. I forgot about that. So I totally forgot how long these bolts are. Pretty long. But I'll smell a little something. I need to do some brake cleaning and just spray it back here. There's a lot of freaking dirt and debris. They're all the same size, I believe. Yeah, they are. But yeah, VTEC Solenoid is gonna move freely now. There we go, got it. Okay. Yeah, so taking it out. Again, it's oily. This is your VTEC Solenoid, guys. I'm probably going to clean this one out a bit. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. That was leaking for sure. So yeah, I'm going to have to use a flathead screwdriver.
I got a pick.
Oh, you do have to pick? Okay. I'm going to clean this up, guys, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So where are the bolts? Well, you see these 3 things here? So it's like that in your engine bay. Oh, damn. Sheesh. I didn't expect oil to... I guess I should have known. Oh, just right on the car. Yeah, it's time for oil change. But, so it's like this in your engine. A bolt here, a bolt there, and a bolt there. Thankfully, Honda made them all 10 mil. We'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so I actually already started with the brake cleaner a little bit. You can get some brake cleaner from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any auto parts store. Walmart actually will have everything for cheap, so might as well go to Walmart. But yeah, this stuff is strong, so make sure you use this outside and don't breathe it in. So let's go ahead and spray this down a little bit, protecting the electronical part. And if this is your first time doing something like this, make sure you have goggles. I really should be wearing them, but I'm not. And make sure you use this away from cars, because if this gets on your paint, it can chip away at the paint. Isn't that right?
Indeed.
Got a lot of gunk in there. Oh wow. I mean, I think almost looks brand new. There's definitely some spots we can get, but this isn't a car show that we're preparing for. We're just doing regular maintenance. So I'm gonna let it hang like that for a little bit, get all that stuff out, and get this thing installed. What do you guys think? It looks good? You should have saw the before. All right. So what we're doing now, guys, is just gonna take the VTEC Solenoid gasket out. I'm gonna install it and put a little bit of oil on it. Just a little bit. You don't need to have a whole bunch of oil, but it's not a bad practice to put some oil on it so it's lubricated, because it is going to be expanding and contracting with the heat and cold. So let's go ahead and you don't need a whole lot, just need enough. But shoot, that could actually be enough too, because clean Pennzoil, good old Pennzoil, can't go wrong with that. Castrol Edge is a pretty good company if you want to know. Royal Purple is pretty good for what I hear. Never use them, but they're just pricey. So as you can see, I'm gonna put the top back on that. As you can see, she's old. She's all old up. She got that oil on her. All right, guys, I'm gonna start playing. So I'm gonna install this right now. So actually, come over here so you can see depending on how it's supposed to go in. So see, keep the pattern the same. So it's oiled up, like you got old girl oiled up. Push it down just a little bit. Make sure that it's good. Shouldn't be popping up, which it doesn't show to be, but it should be firm. It's a new gasket. It's not gonna be flat, and you'll flatten it out a bit. And now we're gonna install it. So remember, those are how the bolts go in. So I'm actually gonna put the top one in first to make sure it's upright. Oh, that's not that won't work. That'll work. So we got everything, all the bolts in. Just found the positioning. You may have some time trying to find out where they go. Just put one in, and then don't put it in all the way, but once you get it put in, take your time with the others so you can actually, you know, get them deeply in. Make sure it's on tighten. And, you know, just install it. Can't really quite do a star pattern, but I typically try to do a star pattern either way. Let's try the left one first. Let's try this one. It makes a clicking noise. This one's the one I was having trouble with. I believe it's this way. It's kind of hard to get it lined up, surprisingly, as you guys can see. There we go. Got that on. Everything clicks. That's what you want to hear. And one last bolt is for the power steering line. Remember, guys, it's all 10 mils, so Honda made this job real easy. There we go. And now we're just going to check the oil level. So let's go ahead and check the oil level on this car, because as you can see, some oil got on the car and stuff like that. So it's related to VTEC Solenoid is related to the oil. So if your oil level is low, you're not going to be engaging VTEC. You could possibly hit the rev limiter sooner, but that's why you want to make sure your VTEC Solenoid is not leaking. Looks like it's at the minimum. Not even gonna really read the first one. I always go off of the second one, then I check another time. So where's it at? It's a little above minimum, so higher than that first reading. And let's double check one last time. Yep, so it's really good. I'm gonna fill it up a bit, maybe put 1 liter in there, and the car should be good with that. Never a bad idea to start the car, see if there's any oil coming from that area, because if you're seeing oil burning or some smoke, well, smoke means oil's burning. And if you see that, let's tighten it down and double check, see what's going on. But we'll end this clip here and we'll get to me pouring the oil and the car turning on, see if there's any leaks. What's up, guys? So I'm running Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. You don't need to run Ultra Platinum in your car, but great idea to run full synthetic. So as you guys can see, the weight is not 5W20. I run 5W30 in my cars because I do drive my cars harder than the average person. It doesn't hurt the car to run, let's say, weight just a little bit over. And it's a little bit of an older motor too, so you can fill in some spots from some stress from the old age and stuff like that. So it's not going to hurt your car. You don't need Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Any oil like Mobil 1, Castrol Edge, it's pretty much going to be good, but definitely go with full synthetic. So now I'm going to start the car. So this is the area you're going to, oh, we see a little bit of smoke. That's probably just the excess oil burning, so we're going to let that just smoke. So if you see some smoke, don't be alarmed. Looks like it's slowing down. Yeah, I know. I did touch a little bit of oil in that header at first. As you guys can see, it was a lot, but look how much it slowed down. Here, so it's really just burning the oil from probably my gloves and stuff. So, guys, we replaced the VTEC Solenoid gasket. Wasn't that easy? You don't need to go to mechanic for that. So now we got this Honda running good. No more smoke, so it's looking good. Got the healthy Honda engine. We got the oil in there. Repair. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you found it useful. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out my videos in my playlist. I do have a playlist like this on DIY stuff. I've done door handle replacement, so check it out. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.